Hello and welcome back to our channel, and something a little bit different this time. Now this is the official LEGO Land Rover Defender Technic kit, and it actually belongs to my friend Mark, who is an off-road driving instructor for Land Rover. And he said, is there any chance we could 3D print a set of wheels to represent the ones like the ones he drives? So these here are the wheels supplied with the kit. And this is what we came up with.
So I drew the wheel hubs in SketchUp, and SketchUp works in polygons rather than circles. So as there are 9 inner holes on the hub, I chose 108 segments, 108 faces for the initial polygon. Once we have the profile of the hub center, it's rotated one segment and then the lines connected up. Once we get 12 together, that's grouped as a component and then rotated, copied and pasted, etc. until we have the complete assembly. The holes I drew inside out and subtracted them from a small part and printed them several times until we got a really nice fit with the center Technic parts. Here is a drawing of the tyre valve. And now the final assembly in Meshmixer, ready for 3D printing on the Anycubic Photon DLP Digital Light Projector resin printer.
Now Mark has also asked me if we can draw this spade, which is a Land Rover spade, to 3D print in 1/10 scale for his roof rack on his Land Rover. So let's go over to SketchUp and draw it up.
So here you can see the spade drawn using simple shapes and then sliced, ready for printing using support structure. The printer uses ultraviolet light to cure a sensitive resin, one layer at a time. The parts are then washed using isopropyl alcohol or methylated spirits, before the support material is removed using side cutters, and the part is post cured in the sunshine.
So this is the finished 3D printed spade, and I've painted it as well with acrylic paints. Hope you like it, Mark. And what Mark doesn't realise is I've also 3D printed a little jerry can at 1/10 scale to also go with. So this here is this was off Thingiverse, and I hope you like it, Mark.
Chewbacca would just like to know, please can she borrow your Land Rover to go veggie shopping? A thanks to Wayne at the Land Rover Experience at Peckforton Castle for all his help, and please subscribe to support our channel.